Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to do a Google My Business verification tutorial. Let's get started. Once you reach your web browser, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Google Business Help Center and then press enter. You'll then see something which says Google Help, Google Business Profile Help. So you're going to click on that. So what you want to do now is scroll down. Now under Verify Your Business and Get Started, you're going to click on Fix Verification Issues. Now it says Fix Verification Issues, how to find your business on Google. But what you want to do is scroll down again. And under the heading Need More Help, you're going to press on Contact Us. You'll then be greeted by this page which says Contact Us, Step 1, what can we help you with? So under the heading, which business do you need help with? You're going to select your business. Now it says, tell us what we can help you with. So you're going to type out the problem. So under this, tell us what we can help you with. I'm unable to verify my business. So now you need to press on next. Now it says, choose the best description of this issue. So you can choose either one. Can verify my email or phone. No way to verify is offered. Fix verification under review. Can't make or upload verification video. So I'm going to press on other. Then next. It'll say, what can we help you with? Resources. So we're going to scroll down. Now it says step 3, contact options, preferred language. So we're going to press on the email button here. So now you're going to scroll down again. And it says, what is your issue? So now we need to select one. My business profile is suspended. Nope, we're not looking for that. My business profile is not verified. Yes, this one. So now we'll scroll down again. Now it says to update your business name and other info on Google, you must first verify your business. So now we're going to press on the blue, check your verification status. You'll then reach the screen which says check your verification status. So confirm your email. Once you're done doing that, you're going to press on the blue confirm button. As you can see here, it says here that my business is verified, but since your business is not verified, it'll say business not verified. So you're going to select your business, scroll down again, and then press continue. So afterwards, Google will try to contact you and try to verify your business. So for me, since it's verified, it says verification status verified. You've already completed verification for this business. So that's it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.